$365,000. That's how much you can legally stuff into your retirement account this year while paying $0 in taxes on it. Your CPA probably thinks this is old news because this has been around since the 1900s and got replaced by those profit sharing plans everyone's using these days. Your financial advisor probably feels the same way. Heck, even I thought the same thing before I dug deeper. But the best part? It can easily work with any plan you may already have in place. That's just the first thing that blew me away about this amazing 401k alternative. But here's what really gets me fired up about this whole situation. You mortgaged your house to start your business. You missed your kids' soccer games. You put your family's financial security on the line. You're the one who used to lie awake at night wondering if you're going to make payroll. Here's the kicker. Your 401k, it's literally called a profit sharing plan. Think about that for just a second. You're sharing profits with employees who never shared in the risk you took to hire them in the first place. When you signed that business loan, were your employees co-signing with you? When you couldn't pay yourself for 6 months, were they taking pay cuts too? When you were one bad month away from losing everything, were they losing sleep? No, they probably weren't, but somehow the retirement system treats them like they're equal partners in your success. Now, hey, I'm the first one to reward employees when they do great work. They're like family and, we love them. But these days, there's a lot of talk about inequality between CEOs and employees, but no one ever talks about the inequality of risk. See, there's this thing called the defined benefit plan. It's been around since the early 1900s, and it flips everything on its head. Here's what I mean. With a typical 401k, if you're putting away $100,000 total across all employees, you might be only able to contribute $55,000 towards your retirement. The rest, it goes to your employees. But with a defined benefit plan, that same 100 grand could let you contribute up to $88,000 for your golden years. That's 60% more for your future and even a bigger tax deduction. But here's the real kicker. While your 401k forces you to gamble your retirement on whatever the stock market feels like doing, a defined benefit plan guarantees your lifetime income. You know exactly what you're getting before you even put the plan in place. No hoping, no praying, no crossing your fingers that the market doesn't crash right before you retire. And your contributions to a defined benefit plan are entirely tax deductible, just like those profit sharing plans. Maybe your accountant's been telling you, hey, you need to buy a piece of equipment, expensive piece of equipment even, to lower your taxes. Wouldn't you rather get that same tax deduction on a plan that guarantees you lifetime retirement income instead of on some piece of unneeded equipment that will be rusting away collecting dust when you're in your 70s? Comment Boss Retirement right now, and I'll send you the exact blueprint that lets business owners legally contribute 5 times more than any 401k allows. And if you're thinking you'll have to blow up your existing plan just to get this thing started, think again, because you can stack this on top of whatever you've already built. You're not replacing anything, you're maximizing everything. And if you don't have anything set up, perfect. You get to skip the basic stuff and go straight to maximum impact. But here's the part that will really open your eyes. When you build a business, you're creating wealth inside a corporate entity. And when you want to retire, you just can't stay on the payroll forever. All that wealth you built is trapped in the business. A defined benefit plan is the legal way to extract that wealth from your business and move it directly into your personal accounts. Money that will pay you for life, whether you own the business or not. And if you want to sell, this can become your ultimate exit strategy. Instead of getting hammered by the IRS on your buyout, you've got guaranteed income flowing while the buyer gets tax advantages too. I can only go into so much detail in this short video. That's why I wrote Transforming Business Wealth into Personal Wealth, a free report you can get when you comment Boss Retirement right now. And if you're thinking, I want to see my numbers, I'd be happy to show them to you. Just comment Boss Retirement and the free report will tell you how we can set up a time to talk. Look, I could give dozens more reasons why this destroys every other retirement strategy, but the only thing that matters is this. Would you rather keep funding your equipment supplier's retirement with stuff you really don't need, or would you rather guarantee yourself up to $365,000 per year in tax-deductible retirement contributions that'll pay you guaranteed income for a lifetime? Stop letting retirement plans put your employees ahead of you, the one who took all the risk. It's time to get on the path to retiring like the boss you are. So drop Boss Retirement in the comments and give yourself a chance to have your mind blown in a good way.